Hi guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I need to grab the customer's file so I can tell you who sent this and where it came from. Okay, that's what happens when you try to shoot video on the fly. Alrighty, this unit is out of a... It is out of a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. It's from Kenny in Oxford, North Carolina. Thank you so much, Kenny, for your business from the Carolinas. I hope that you're nice and warm out there. So let's look at the unit here. Here's Kenny's radio out of his Roadrunner. It's had an FM conversion done to it using the customer's original connectors, which is okay. You just don't get that massive increase in output power, but the radio, will work with the existing common grounded speaker system. So let's go ahead and turn her on.
Fang explains.
The journalists will have 10 days to hand in their press credentials.
Okay,
going to
run.
Reporting in China.
We're on FM at the moment, so let's.
The move is a direct response to the U.S. decision.
Run down the dial here. Make sure we pick up some FM stations.
Of foreign media outlets in China.
Are you through great enemy marriage? 70s and the
Players Club for details.
Want to hear some?
and we're proud to
Questions run through your mind. A lot of questions.
Ellie Goulding and Blackbear. Which one will make it? I wanna run down your.
Okay, I counted about 34 FM stations that came in clearly. Let's go to AM, which we do on this radio by turning it off and then right back on. Now we're on AM. We should get 2 weak stations around here.
okay, Bob. Yeah, I just wanted to.
1, 2, and here's our strong station.
15 minutes. In this moment, it doesn't matter if your neighbor.
Okay, so we'll go back to FM. There we go. And we're going to demonstrate the virtual. Oh no, there is no virtual because this is a 2-speaker radio. So we're just going to make sure the balance control works. All the way right, all the way left, right, left. Alrighty. Going to test our aux input, make sure it switches over. Just going to feed a quick tone into it like I always do. One side, other side. Okay, now there's a 20-second delay before the radio comes back on, and if you don't like the delay, just turn it off, turn it right back on. Radio comes right back on. Okay, now we're going to test the 8-track function, what everybody's been waiting for. Where's my favorite test tape that I've been using? Here we go, got some Neil Sedaka. They haven't been hitting me too much on that for copyright, so here we go. Okay, switch tracks a bunch of times. Getting some glare.
Say goodbye to living, so get your kicks. Got a one-way ticket to the party, won't you say you're mine? The answer to my prayer.
Okay, pull the tape out, radio should come back. And the radio's back. Last thing to test is the dial line. I don't know if you can see it in this bright sun. Okay, I see it working. That's good enough for me. Alrighty, folks. I'm out of here. I got to get back. I got to go eat something, I think. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You've just seen what I can do to a classic car AM radio. And it doesn't have to have an 8-track. You can send just the radio if you want. Seems I get the lion's share of the 8-track radios. Being an 8-track dedicated repair shop, that's understandable. My phone number is 928-533-9666. That's for paying repair or conversion customers only. It's not to look for parts or belts, and my website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.